Spiky here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Ubuntu operating system into a ProxMox Virtual Machine. Let's go. A quick note, you can follow all steps in this video tutorial at my GitHub page. But now, first, we are going to log into our ProxMox dashboard we've installed in the video shown in the upper right corner. Next, we have to provide ProxMox with the Ubuntu OS ISO file. Navigate to a machine and choose ISO images in the menu. We are going to download that image from the following website. After we've downloaded the ISO file, we are going to upload it to our ProxMox machine as shown in the video. Second, we are going to create a new virtual machine. Give it a name. Select your uploaded ISO file. Enable the QEMU agent for this machine. Next, give your machine at least 64 megs of disk space. Next, give your machine a little more CPU power. Next, I'm going to give Ubuntu 8 megs of memory. Finally, click Finish. Start your virtual machine. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. Wait for the installer to pop up and select your preferred language. Check Install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard layout. Select your network. Select Minimal Installation. Select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Click Install. Select your time zone. Provide your username and password. Select your theme.
You do not understand the power of the dark side.
Now wait while Ubuntu is being installed onto your system. Finally, click Restart Now. Edit your VM's hardware settings and select Do Not Use any media on your CD-ROM drive. Press Enter to complete the reboot process. Log into your machine. Set up your network and IP address. In this tutorial, we will use the following values: Install updates. That's it. Thanks for watching. Spiky out.